guys, it's Rachel.
It's Tony.
And this is Tony and Rachel's Excellent Adventures. So today we have something a little exciting. We're going to do this little experiment. We were walking through the store and guess what we saw? Microwavable pork rinds from Lowreys. So they're called Lowreys Bacon Curls and original flavor. And for people that are on like low carb keto, it's less than 1 gram of carbs per serving.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and it's like 3.5 servings per bag. The directions seem pretty simple. We just pop it in the microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, and I guess we'll see how it works.
Alright,
So I'm just gonna open this up. Let me see if it tells you. Stop the microwave when the bag stops expanding. The product does not pop. Of course, it's not popcorn. Okay. So let's see. So it says to shake the bag.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
5 or 6 times, which is probably more like 10. It's this side up. Put it in the microwave. We'll do 2 minutes. And then we'll just watch for the bag to expand.
A few moments later.
Alright, looks like the bag's done expanding. So that's probably about 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Okay.
So we'll just clear it. Ooh, they smell so good.
Okay.
Alright. So I'm just gonna grab our little popcorn bucket here. And we're gonna see how these taste.
So if I hold the bucket.
So these are, they puffed up
They
really
smell,
nice.
They smell good.
They do smell good and they're nice and hot.
Look at there, look at there.
We're gonna just dump them in our little popcorn bucket. So I think that we should probably taste one to see.
Okay.
Ooh, they're
Ooh.
still crackling.
That's cool.
That is cool.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god.
Holy smoke.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking good.
Plain.
Yeah.
So I tell you what. We have popcorn seasoning.
We do. We have sour cream and onion.
Okay.
And then we have a cheesy caramel corn.
So let's try the cheesy caramel corn.
Okay. We'll just put some. Now, these pork rinds, they do have flavor to them. And they do taste like they've been salted a little. There it goes. Okay, I'm just gonna up a bit. Okay, now we're gonna try it with the caramel corn taste on them. Oh, it popped.
Boom, look at that. Looks good.
Mmm. These are so good.
I'm in love.
Mm-hmm.
Let me try one.
Yeah, they're really good.
Let's try some sour cream.
Put some sour cream and onion on it. Ooh, look at that. Okay.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Holy smoke. That's good.
Definitely good with the sour cream and onion popcorn seasoning.
Wow.
They do make other flavors too, like bacon and Parmesan and different ones. But yeah, these are good. So if you guys are walking through your grocery store on the popcorn aisle, definitely look for these. Makes for a nice little snack. And I've never had,
Microwavable.
yeah, I've never had them warm like this. They taste fresh.
We can't stop eating.
Yeah. So they're really good. Definitely recommend them.
Yeah.
Look for them next time you go to the grocery store.
But one most important thing, the bucket of popcorn comes separately.
Yeah.
Popcorn bucket.
We always just hang on to them and use them when we cook our popcorn at home.
Yeah, comes in handy.
Yep. So if you guys enjoyed this little video, even though it wasn't that long, please like, subscribe, share it.
Leave a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment. Let us know if you've had them or if you want to try them. And we appreciate you watching our video, and we will see you guys later.
Peace.